to this vlog. It's currently the D-Day. It's the girls' day out. So I'm going out to spend some time with the girls, and I'm all dressed. I'm running late here. I decided to make this video before leaving the house. I'm all dressed. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I don't know if you can see my full outfit. This is, I just need something to be comfortable on. I don't want anything stressful, just simple yet comfy. So let's go. We have lots of things packed for today. I don't know, I just want to be positive about everything, be my best behavior and enjoy, have fun, because it's not easy. All right, see you. Let's go. Oh god, I got here late. 12:50. I got here late and these girls are angry with me. Shame, do you forgive me? This is not the time to be recording. I'm gonna ring her.
Likewise, if your ticket please state Northern only or TPE only.
So you guys, we just got to York and we are trying to get to the exit of the train. I don't know. I'm just following the train station. Yeah, I'm just following this Charmaine and Chido. Hello. I got here very late and I don't know. It's Charmaine's fault that I came late. Charmaine's fault? It's your fault that I came late.
Hi, my name is Chido. What's your name?
Cheeto with the C.
think that's the same boat, you know, Shami.
That's City Cruise one.
Yeah.
Let me check actually.
I think it's golden something.
Constructed. There was a ferryman who operated this stretch river here. His house is there on the right hand side. It was by the name of Barker Tower. Barker Tower is very old indeed. It's actually part of the ancient wall that circles around York. Sections of that ancient wall were actually constructed by the Romans when they originally got to this area back in 71 AD. So from Barker Tower, the ferryman would take people across the river long before the bridge was open. But going through Lendal Bridge, over on the left hand side, you'll be able to see our boatyard, currently occupied by City Cruises York. But this has been a commercial boatyard and dry dock as early as the 1840s, originally starting with paddle and then steam powered passenger boats. Currently we're using diesel. You'll never know what happens in the future. Just ahead of that, on the left hand side, large building is the Guild Hall. Up until very recently was the main residence for York Council. We developed over many more years into the city of York. But to bring it to a more recent age, during the Industrial Revolution here in York, like I said, it was the third busiest port in England, and very important. But with that comes a lot of traffic. There'd be 4 or 5 English barges tied alongside each other, stretching the whole length of the river here, queuing up to offload coal, sacks of cocoa beans and sugar at Queenstown to be taken to various factories around York. These queues would have been on both sides of the river, making it a very narrow, very slow process to get through the river here. To further illustrate how busy this port was and how important it was to the development of England, a large building on the right hand side at the very end with the white balcony is called the Bonding Warehouse. Bonding Warehouse was built in the 1800s to serve as the tax headquarters. For all goods, cargoes and barges coming into the city centre, they would have to stop here first to pay their taxes. If they failed to pay their taxes, they would be confiscated from them and kept here in the bonding warehouse, later to be sold to make up the money. So moving on ahead of us, this is Skeldergate Bridge, opened to the public in 1881. This is one of two bridges designed by Thomas Page here in York. Thomas Page, like I said earlier, is famous for designing Westminster Bridge in London. A small detail about this bridge that's unlike the other bridges here in York. A small archway on the left-hand side, you see a split down the centre. That's because the small archway used to open up to allow barges with large sailing masts access into the city centre. No longer opens, of course, the mechanisms have all been stripped away and recycled. It's only the split down the centre, and history books are reminders of how critical that small archway was for keeping commerce alive here in York. Hundreds of barges would use that small archway to get in and out of the city centre, making it more
What is turning to?
I've said English style barges a couple of times. There's only one example of this barge still left here in York, just coming up on the right hand side. It's called MV Till. MV stands for motorised vessel, which was added to the title.
I really had fun today. Going back to the house. Ooh, see my stomach. My tummy is so big now. I've had lots of things to eat. Oh my god. It was a well-deserving outing. Like, it was really worth it. Looking forward to another outing. Bye.